Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, you are highly welcome. My name is Ifoma. On this channel I do hair tutorials, beauty DIY. In fact, I do a little bit of everything, so please consider hitting that subscribe button down below. Please do so you can join the family, so you won't miss out on any of my videos. Okay, so guys, in today's video we are going to be making this Chinese DIY face peel mask. Yes, this face peel mask will help you glow. It will keep your face so fresh. In fact, it will make you look like a real baby girl. Yes, guys. So without much talk, guys, let's get right into the kitchen. Let's make this face peel mask, okay? So to make the face peel mask, all you need is to get a clean plate. Then you get one stick of carrot. Then you go ahead and peel the carrot. After peeling off the skin of the carrot, you go ahead and get one potato. Also, you'll be peeling the skin of the potato. After peeling off the skin of the potato, then the next thing you have to do is to go ahead and get a grater. Now you're going to be using the smallest size of the grater to grate the carrot and the potato. So I tried using this side of the grater to grate it, but it's not working. So I will switch over to the normal side I was using. So now I'm done grating the carrot and the potato. The next thing to do here is that I'll go ahead and get a clean cup. You also get a clean sieve. Now we'll go ahead and pour in the carrot and the potato into the sieve. Then once that is done, you use the spoon to squeeze out the juice. Guys, I found that I wasn't able to get a lot of juice from grating the carrot and the potato, so I decided to do something. Yes, I decided to transfer this into a blender. So I'll be blending it. Yes, I will transfer it into a blender so that I'll get enough juice, okay? So after transferring it into the blender, I'll go ahead and pour in this juice I got. This will help me to blend it without adding water. So I feel like it's better to blend it instead of grating it. Yes, because by blending it, you will be able to get a lot of juice, guys. So now I'm done blending it. The next thing to do is to go ahead and pour in everything into the sieve. Then once that is done, you use the spoon and squeeze out the juice. Now I'm sure I'll get a lot of juice. Yes, so I feel it's better to blend it instead of grating it, guys. So here I'm done squeezing out the juice. I'll take the chaff aside. So this is what I got from sieving the carrot and the potato. Now I'll go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of gelatin. If you don't have gelatin, you can use cornstarch in place of gelatin. It will still give you the same result. So I'll go ahead and mix it very well. So after mixing it, the next thing you have to do is to get a saucepan. Transfer the carrot and the potato juice into a saucepan. Then you move over to boiling it. Now I'll place it on the cooker. Then I will stir it frequently. I have to stir it frequently because I don't want it to burn or form a lump because of the gelatin I added to it. If you don't stir it always, there's every possibility that it will form a lump, okay? So stir it always. After 10 to 15 minutes, you're done because after 10 to 15 minutes, the gelatin must have dissolved. So now it's okay. I will take it off the cooker. So the next thing I have to do is to get a clean plate and a sieve. Then I'll go ahead and sieve the juice again. You can decide to skip this process, but I feel like it's necessary because I don't want any lumps in the juice, okay? That's why I decided to sieve it. So after sieving it, guys, we are done. You just allow the juice to cool down before using it. Yes. Once it cools down, now you can apply it on your face. I'll go ahead and show you guys how to use it. So guys, it's now time to apply the DIY face peel mask. Yeah. And here it is. Ta-da! It has cooled down. So I'll go ahead and apply it on my face with this brush right here. So this is how you apply it. Oh, it's too much. You have to get a little. While applying it, you have to oh while applying it, you have to avoid the places you have hairs, like your eyebrows, your edges, your hairline, you have to avoid it. Oh my goodness, I think I took a lot. Oh, so I have to wait for it to dry. So guys, now the first one I applied has dried a little bit. I have to go ahead and coat it the second time. I have to put this on so that I will secure my hairline. Yeah, guys. Oh God, I can't even move my face. So I'll go ahead and coat it the second time. Okay, I think I'm done. I'm done applying it, then I'll wait for it to dry. Let's wait for it to dry then. Guys, please, if you've watched to this point, just please kindly give this video a thumbs up. Please do not fail to give me a thumbs up. I'm begging you guys, give this video a thumbs up. So guys, as you can see, I can't even talk. So this is 1 hour 30 minutes after leaving it to dry. And this is what it looks like, guys. Did you see? Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Here it's not yet properly dried. But I'll go ahead and remove it right now. Oh! Okay. You have to start removing it. Oh no. Oh, this is going to be painful. Oh. Mm. Did you see how smooth this place is? I think the best thing to do is when you're applying this, don't coat it twice. I think it's this hard because I coated it twice. Yeah. So if you want to try this, just don't coat it twice, okay? Oh, yo. Guys, you see, did you see how this place is glowing? Did you see? This really works so. And I feel soft. It's glowing, guys. It works. Honestly, you guys, this face mask really works. It's working, guys. Honestly, it's working. This will help keep your face so firm. It helps to get rid of wrinkles. It can also help you to get rid of facial hairs. In fact, this works. Oh no, this place is so hard. Look. Oh my goodness. Mm. 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 Whoosh. Ooh. Ah, I shouldn't have coated it twice. Ah, shouldn't have. Oh, you see, I think please don't cut it twice. Just cut it once. Because I coated it twice, it's now. Oh, but honestly, I see changes. Oh, I can see changes. So if you ask me if this works, I would say yes. I would say yes. Oh, I have hairs here. Oh. I think I have to do this one off camera so that I'll go and cry in peace as I'll be dragging it out. I'll go and cry in peace and come back, guys. So guys, I'm done peeling it off. I'll go ahead and wash my face so I can get rid of these ones I couldn't take out. These ones, so I just have to pour water and wash it off, then I'll come back. Okay guys, so guys, I'm back guys, and this is my face after washing it. Honestly, my honest review is that this really works. Yes, it really works, guys. Look at my face now. Did you see how it's glowing? It's after washing it. I've not yet applied my face moisturizer, but guys, oh my goodness, I feel my face. I can feel my face, guys. Woo! Honestly, this works, guys. So please, if you've watched to this point, don't fail to give me a thumbs up, comment, like, and share this video. Okay guys, I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye. Bye.